Hello, everybody, and welcome back to TED version 2, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Ted, and on this channel, I review and just share my journey on making myself a better person and improving myself in different ways. So I'm glad you're here, and in this episode, I'm going to do an unboxing of Archer and Olive's subscription box. Comes quarterly, and I will leave a link in the description of this video giving you more details. It's my first time being a subscriber to Archer and Olive, so I'm kind of excited to see what's in this box. I've watched other videos, so I sort of have an idea of what to expect. However, if you are a subscriber and you are one of those subscribers who would like to be surprised by what's inside, then you may want to stop this video now. But before you do, I would really appreciate it if you would click subscribe so you can watch future videos of mine. So if you're still around, that tells me that you don't mind checking out what's inside. So let's get to it. So it comes in a fairly good sized box. Nice, has a little saying here. And but yeah, it's a good box, quite hefty. So there's a lot of stuff in here. Let me just, I'm just really careful about, maybe I'm the only one that does this, but I don't like ruining the box. So here we go. Okay, I got it started. Yeah, let's see here. Okay, so it's protected in this plastic. Okay. And let's see here. Pretty nice. Let me, how can I do this without ruining my little tripod thing? Hopefully that works. You know what? Let me see if I could, there we go. I'll do it that way, so that way it doesn't bump the camera too much. So here's what we have. Excuse me. You get the contents of what's in the box, a little description. And I'll use this to help me go. So this is my first time getting some acrylographs. They're water-based acrylic pens. Let me take them out so you could get a closer look at them. Kind of excited to try these out. And coloring. My bullet journal. Oh, very nice. So they're earthy tones. And whoops. So I'll just take a look at this. What is it? Teal, maybe? Turquoise? And oh, okay. So I'm going to guess that there's some setting up to do, because that certainly does not look like teal or turquoise. So I'll have to read up on that. And it is 0.7 millimeters, so it's got quite a fine tip there. Excited to try those out. And then this is, okay, so this is a fountain pen, and I'm almost ashamed to admit I have never, ever used a fountain pen before. I don't own a fountain pen, so this is my first fountain pen, and I've never used one. So I know that Archer and Olive just recently on their YouTube channel came out with how to, for beginners. So I'm going to watch that again so I get an idea of how to best use. Okay, but I am excited to try it. So there we go. That's very pretty. So do it. Okay. So do I screw it or? Ah, there we go. There we go. How cool is that? I'm really excited to try this. A little nervous, a little intimidated, but I've seen people do beautiful work with it, and this pen is gorgeous. Again, it has, I don't know if that's teal or turquoise, but it's a beautiful color, gold trim. Very nice. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, okay, so this is fountain pen ink. So I believe there are 3 colors, and each one comes in a really nice looking bottle, and just very, very classy. Just having these on your desk would make me feel like I'm some important scribe or something. But anyway, I will use these to try out that pen, and looking forward to it. Okay, next is a scallop edge ruler, which also, I have to admit, looks intriguing to me. Okay, what's going on here? Oh my goodness. I don't want to... Okay. I guess, oh, there it goes. Okay. Whew. So, yeah, you can see I totally mutilated that box, but here's the ruler. It has 2 elastics, and I've never had a scallop ruler, although when I was in the crafting, I did much scallop die cutting, but never had a scallop ruler. So, again, has a nice plant leafy decor, has archer and olive embossed or engraved. The numbers are also embossed or engraved. The leaves, it looks kind of, could be etched a little bit, but very pretty. If you want to make scallop lines. Next up is, I believe this is, so this is the decorative tape, which is like washi tape. Look how cool that is. I need to just start using washi tape more. And it's very cool. Take these out. So we have a few different patterns here. This is like a postal vintage look to it. This looks a little bit more, has some sheet music and some text, some little vintage leaves. This looks like it has sections, so you could actually, if you wanted to, cut out different sections. And then finally, in the 4th one, you've got this really pretty, when I first saw this, I immediately thought of wallpaper for some reason, but very nice with flowers, the gold trim, very nice. Okay, so here is a sticker set. And you know what? I'm not gonna, who am I kidding? Let's see if I get, this is just silly at this point. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna even try. There we go. That was done with so much finesse. So 2 sticker sheets. They're both the same, but they do have almost like the old-fashioned Dymo tape with phrases, some what looks to be like dried flowers. So these are nice little elements to put on in your journal, your planner, stationery, mail that you're going to send out, cards, envelopes. Nice little addition. Okay, so now I believe these are all notebooks. This is a dot grid notebook. And let me, there we go. I've never ceased to be amazed with the style of the box. It's just the quality, very nice. Okay, there we go. Even the books are wrapped in paper. Just really high quality. Wow, look at that. So this is vegan leather, and this is 160 pages. Dot grid notebook, and there's the ampersand, their logo, ribbon. Paper is very thick. I've read that you could I believe, do watercolor on it. I haven't tried it, but it's very nice and thick. Very little chance of bleed through, but just a beautiful notebook. And let me close that. And there's a little, they always have a little pocket. There's the inside cover, sort of embossed with this gold. And of course, green's my favorite color, so loving the green. There's the gold emboss. Let me move this to the side. Okay. Sorry for the road noise near my house. This is 192 pages, also 160 GSM, so it's going to be the same thickness as the previous book. Alrighty. So this is this size. Let me make sure I think this may be an A5. Yeah, this almost looks like an A5. But wow, check that out. That is beautiful. Almost feels like, oh wow, I love that. Maybe it's me. I mean, the gold is nice. Don't get me wrong, but I always like just the tone on tone. And again, that may just be me, but what are your thoughts on it? So put in the comments what you think. I mean, do you prefer the gold, or do you prefer just the embossed tone on tone? Both of them are beautiful. So yeah, don't get me wrong, this is beautiful, but I guess I just like the subtle tone on tone. So here's the cover. Again, my first thought was like wallpaper, just because of the framing. Oh, so this is a little different. This is, I think the proper word is deckled, maybe? Is deckled, where it almost has the look of being torn. So it gives a very much, if you like journals that have a very old or antique or vintage feel, this will be right up your alley. It sort of has sort of like the old feel. It's only on the one edge, and I'm thinking that's because it's probably quite expensive to do it around all of them, and also when it comes to maybe binding them, there was an issue, but has the pocket, has the ribbons, 2 ribbons, but elastic band. Beautiful, beautiful book. Again, I believe this is an A5. And the last one, if I'm not, here, let me get this box out of the way. Okay, the last one is, I want to say it's a sketchbook, 112 pages, also 160, and this is craft paper. So a little different, but still just as nice. Let's see here. There we go. Box is so nice. I mean, I can't imagine ever getting rid of these boxes. Just using them for all types of things, even if it's not for the actual book. There's the paper. Wow, check that out. How cool is that? I mean, this is like a sketchbook. Again, vegan leather. You have the embossed, which is nice. And being a guy, I really do appreciate just the simple leaves here. But yeah, it's just very, very nice, high quality. This is the little wrap, and I'm sure I won't be able to figure out how to put that back, but I won't try it on camera. But definitely, if you want to, I mean, it's a sketchbook, so you could bring this if you want to go on nature hikes or just in the park, or at your desk, of course. Here's the cover. Here's the, it has a very, let me see, yeah, very similar, slightly different, but it does have the simple leaf little embossing. Here's the craft paper. Nice, no dots, which is nice. So when you sketch, of course, you don't want dots, but thick paper. So you could use charcoals, fountain pen, I'm sure, various inks, watercolors, but really just high quality. Oh, and I'm kind of surprised that there's a pocket in this one too. I thought maybe it was just a little bit different, but yeah, this is just beautiful. Not sure what I'm going to use this for. I'm kind of afraid to dig in, but I'm sure I will think of something. That again, this is. See, oh, let's see if I can do this. Hey, maybe look at there. Okay, there we go. Nice. Anyway, so yeah, that's my little Archer and Olive haul. I don't think this is an A5. Not sure. Nope. Oh yes, A5 natural notebook. So then this one is and also A5. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, okay. My error. They both are A5s. Nice. And then this smaller one here is. Let me look at the box. Okay, so this is a B6. B6, and then these are both A5s. So all types of sizes. So there you have it. I mean, as you see, that I just got a lot of, at the time of this filming, the price for subscribing is $75. And again, that's quarterly. And you would go to Archer and Olive and sign up. I'm not an affiliate. I don't get anything from this, but you would just go to Archer and Olive, sign up. And the next one, I believe, will be in June. Since it's quarterly, you want to sign up before then. And then they send out all their subscriber products first, and then they go ahead and then look at the list for new subscribers. So this was my first time. I'm a new subscriber. So in June, I will automatically be billed $75 if that's the going rate. And then also I will just automatically be sent it until I cancel. They do not, at one point, I guess they did allow you to pause subscription, but now if you want to stop it, you actually have to cancel. And then if you decide that you want to, in a few months, try it again, you sign back up again. So it's not too difficult at all. But anyway, it's kind of cool just every 3 months getting some new goodies. I think maybe next time I'm going to do my best not to look at what's in the box and maybe be surprised. And but yeah, so I've made this video long enough. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please, I appreciate if you do not forget to click thumbs up on this video if you liked it. And if you want to see more videos like this, it would mean a lot to me to click subscribe. It'd be great if I get like to 25 subscribers. I'm just a new channel, but anything that you could do to help, I would appreciate it. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a blessed week. Bye now.